Welcome back children. I hope you all doing well. In previous video, we have learned multimedia and its functions. I hope you all understood the lesson. Now, in this video, we will study about using the calculator. Children, you know about Windows, which is an operating system. It has some simple applications available in its accessories menu. These application softwares which are meant for some particular task. For example, MS Paint, Notepad, WordPad, calculator, etc. Starting steps to accessories menu. Click on Start button, click on All Programs, click on Accessories. The Accessories menu contains the list of different programs, which is called sub-menu. Let us learn about these applications. First one, calculator. Calculator is a program that looks and acts like a real calculator. The calculator helps mathematical calculations. It is work and to be like a real calculator. Have you seen a calculator in your home? It is used to do calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It can also be used to perform more complex calculations. You will find calculator in the accessories submenu of Windows 7. We use the calculator to perform simple addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. You can also use more advanced functions in the calculator. These functions include scientific, programmer and statistics. You can easily switch between the two views, click, view and choose either standard or scientific options. You will find calculator in the accessories submenu of Windows 7. Buttons on the calculator, number keys, equal to, decimal, division, multiplication, subtraction and addition buttons. The calculations are done by left clicking with a mouse on the buttons or by typing numbers using the keyboard. For example, to add two numbers, say 8 and 2, follow the given steps. Number 1, open the calculator. Number 2, press number 8. Number 3, press the plus symbol. Number 4, now press number 2. Number 5, on pressing the equal to button, the sum, that is 10, will be seen on the calculator screen. Modes of calculator. The calculator offers 4 modes for calculation. They are standard, scientific, programmer and statistics. Let us now study about each of them in detail. Standard mode of the calculator. When you click on the calculator application, it opens in standard mode by default. It allows you to perform basic calculations using common mathematical operators. Scientific mode of the calculator. The scientific mode is used to perform trigonometric calculations. To use scientific mode of the calculator, you need to click on View menu, then select Scientific. Programmer mode of the calculator. The programmer mode of the calculator provides different numbers systems. This mode has a different set of command and operating keys for performing calculations. To use programmer mode of the calculator, you need to click on View menu, then select Programmer. Statistic mode of the calculator. In the statistic mode of the calculator, you enter the data that you want to calculate statistics for and then perform the calculations. To use statistics mode of the calculator, you need to click on View menu, then select Statistics. Functions offered by the calculator. History function of calculator. The history function of the calculator saves all the calculations you perform in a session. You can change the values in the history and calculate new results. Calculation history is available in standard and scientific mode. To see the calculation history, number 1, click on the View menu. Number 2, then click on History. Number 3, you can double click on the required previous calculation to edit it. Unit conversion. Calculator also allows you to convert values from one unit of measurement to another. To do so, you need to, number 1, click on View menu. Number 2, then click on Unit Conversion. Number 3, select the type of unit for conversion. Number 4, select from and to conversion units. Number 5, enter the value to perform conversion. Date calculation. You can use calculator to find out the difference between two dates or to add or subtract days from a specific date. For date calculation, you need to click on View menu, then click on Date Calculation. Under Select the Date Calculation, you want select any one of the following options from the drop-down list as shown in figure. Calculate the difference between two dates. Add or subtract days to a specific date. Enter the values and click on Calculate button. Worksheets calculation for mortgage, vehicle loans and fuel economy. Number 1, click on View menu. Number 2, then click on Worksheets as shown in figure. Number 3, click one of the following options from the sub-menu, that is mortgage, vehicle loans, fuel economy in bracket MPG, fuel economy in bracket and or 100 km. Number 4, under select the value you want to calculate, choose the value that you want to calculate. Enter the values in the text boxes. Then click on calculate button. With this, we end with this chapter. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, thank you. Stay safe. Bye-bye.